common eyeliner mistakes that you could be making. So in this video, you will learn how to avoid these mistakes and properly apply your eyeliner like this to get that perfect liner. If you're not used to drawing eyeliners and you want to practice, the worst type of eyeliner that you can practice with is a gel liner. Gel liners tend to be more slippery and they tend to dry up faster, therefore making it really hard to draw a straight line. You also want to avoid practicing with an eyeliner pencil because they're usually harder to get the pigment out, especially if you have really small eyelids. And it's also hard to draw out a straight line because they don't give you enough control. These types of pencil liners are good for smudging out eyeliner on your under eye or smudging it at the top of your eye. But if you're looking for a perfectly straight eyeliner look, I would not recommend using a pencil. So instead of opting for those two types of eyeliners, the best type of eyeliner to practice with is a felt tip eyeliner. Felt tip eyeliners give you a little bit better control. They get your eyeliner to draw out straight because they have a felt tip, and you definitely want to get one that dries matte. So when we apply eyeliner without resting our hands on a flat surface, our hands start to shake, causing it not to apply a straight line. So instead, you want to rest your elbow on something flat, or you can rest it on the palm of your hand and apply the eyeliner. This gives you more control when you're applying your eyeliner and allows you to apply it without your hands shaking. So when you pull and tug on your eyes while applying eyeliner, best believe when you release your hand, your eyeliner will be crooked because your skin is going to go back to normal. Those folds are going to go back and it won't look as straight as it does when you're pulling or tugging. So instead, you want to avoid pulling and tugging or touching your eyes. So you just want to look straight ahead, straight forward while drawing out your eyeliner. This will give you the best results and give you a more clean look. And it's going to make your eyeliner look exactly how somebody is going to see it when you're looking at them. Sometimes we apply mascara and then apply eyeliner. When we do that, it makes it so difficult for us to properly apply the eyeliner because we have so much mascara on our lashes that are blocking us from creating that straight line. What you want to do is apply your eyeliner first and then go in with mascara. And we'll help you apply that eyeliner right on the lash line without the distraction of the mascara. Another mistake that is very common is not starting by drawing out the wing first before filling it in. You definitely want to draw out your wing first if you are doing a wing liner because that will give you a guide as to where to close off the eyeliner. This will make it easier because then all you have to do is go back and fill it in, which will give you that perfectly straight eyeliner. But if you have hooded eyes, sometimes the folds on your eyes can make it very hard to draw the eyeliner. Another very common mistake is drawing the eyeliner inside the fold instead of on top of the fold. When we draw it inside the fold and we look down, you can see that the eyeliner is very crooked. And sometimes when we look up, you can also see that it's crooked because we've put the eyeliner inside the fold. So instead, what you want to do is draw the eyeliner on top of the fold. This will give you a better look. When you look down, it is going to give you that bat winged eyeliner look, but when you look up, it's going to give you that nice straight line. So sometimes we tend to just draw the eyelid part in a straight line. Our hands naturally do not have the ability to draw out a straight line. You definitely don't want to do that with your eyeliner, especially on your lash line, because it will eventually come out crooked. It's not going to come out straight. So if you're looking for that perfectly straight line, then you definitely want to tap the eyeliner in small sections to draw the straight line. This will allow you to create a better look, a cleaner look, and it will give your eyeliner that nice, sharp, clean look. So you can be using a felt tip liquid eyeliner, but sometimes when we shake it too much or we haven't used it in a while, it ends up being very runny, and that could be a mistake that you're making when applying your eyeliner, is using it when it's too wet. So what you want to do instead is tap it on a napkin or a paper towel first before using it to make sure that you're getting rid of that excess liquid product first before applying it. This will prevent the eyeliner from smudging or leaking when you're applying it, giving you a better and cleaner look. And when you're applying eyeliner on your eyelids, you want to make sure that you're not leaving any gap on your eyes, because once you place the eyelashes, you'll be able to see those gaps. To prevent this from happening, you want to tightline your eyelids. Tightlining is using a liquid or a pencil underneath your lash line to help close in your eyes. This will give your eyes a fuller look, and when you apply your eyelashes, you won't be able to see that gap. So it gives your eyes a cleaner and better look than without tightlining. Sometimes sometimes when we have an old eyeliner that has been there for a long time, it ends up drying up. So you want to avoid using eyeliner that is dried up because that will become very hard for you to draw your line. So you want to use one that's fresh and still has that product on there. This will definitely improve your eyeliner look because when you're applying it, it's gonna give it a clean look instead of using one that's dried up that will make it really hard for you to apply it. When we apply our eyebrows and eyelashes, sometimes it can be a bit difficult. That's why you really have to watch this video where I show you the perfect techniques to apply these in order to master your whole eye makeup look.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'. KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.